If convenience is what you're looking for, Park Ridge can't be beat. Just 15 miles north of the Chicago Loop, a quick ride to O'Hare Airport with the Metro right downtown. It's all right at your fingertips. And if that sounds good, combine it with the added advantages of townhouse living and the luxury of newer construction, and you have today's amazing property, 301 North Delphia here in wonderful Park Ridge. Now, I've got to point out the kitchen and main living space. Thanks to being an end unit with these massive windows, the natural light in here is incredible, making it even easier to enjoy all these upgrades, like gorgeous hardwood floors throughout, beautiful quartz countertops, and a stylish backsplash, along with new stainless appliances. Two massive bedrooms boast their own ensuite bathroom. And here, the primary bedroom has elevated ceilings that make it feel airy and light. It's luxury and convenience in one amazing package. Make sure you reach out for more information and subscribe so you never miss any of our amazing properties.